got some metal the other day. I want to fix these floorboards a little bit. Like I said before, this ain't the right way of doing it, but just trying to do it cheap. I'm not building a $100,000 car here. I'm building a budget friendly. Go out on weekends, have a little fun, take to the track here and there. You know, beat up on some Hondas.
Got over 72 vendors and
I'm an idiot. I should have safety glasses on doing that. I'll go find me a pair. This is kind of what I'm dealing with here. I gotta bend that and format in there. Like I said, this ain't the correct way of doing it, but I mean, I'm just, like I said, just doing it cheap. A little hole back here I need to fix. And it sounds really dumb, but I kind of done some thinking last night. Once I patched this right here, just to kind of stop maybe the rust, which it stopped because I cut that out. Like I said, I got this car 10 years ago and I cut that stuff out. And it ain't rust no more, and it was sitting outside the whole time until we just pulled this thing in. So, underneath, I mean, it has that one spot right next to it there and there. I'm actually, once I fill this in, sounds dumb, but I think I'm gonna take some Bondo or like fiberglass or something and just kind of spread that in there a little bit. I don't know, maybe something like that, just to clean that lip up a little bit when it's sitting there. But the rest of the cars are really, I mean, this car's in really good shape. This is an 81, my 77 that I drive from basically here up. It all needs worked. I mean, it really needs replaced. The car's not even really worth it anymore. But let me get this formed up here. Well, I gotta take this and bend this up almost to a 90. I don't have no benders, nothing like that, so I'm gonna try something here. I don't know if it's gonna work. It just popped in my head. Get y'all set up here. A little crooked, but be alright. Really need another hand. I have to go get my boy, but that's kind of my idea here. Get it right on that edge. And that hammer. I drew a line right there. And hit it right here. Didn't work. Well, I wish I had a bender. No benders, nothing really to work with. I'm just winging it. Definitely ain't the right way. I'm using flux core. That's what I have right now. And forgot my helmet. I left it at work, both of my helmets. So I'm just getting everything tacked in, fill that other hole in it. I should have run a piece up through there, but it didn't happen that way. So I'm just getting this all tacked in good. Can't see, I ain't got a helmet and I ain't blinding myself, but it's in there. So I'm gonna do this piece right here and get that tacked in. Yeah, I'm still working on the floorboard, but it was getting hot in here, and ordered to weld. I got it and the door is up, and it's really hot out here today. So I held off on that and done some other work. This is kind of what I got going on here. I don't know if y'all can see. This is all black metal. I really thought about, well, I'm going to change it to stainless, aluminum, something, you know, won't rust. But I kind of want this thing to kind of look original. I want it rough looking a little bit, but I want like my engine bay to look decent. I'm probably gonna put new carpet in here, new seats. But I want my door panels kind of look rough looking. I want the paint in here to look rough. You know, just I don't know what I'm really going for, but that's kind of the idea. Well, I don't know if it's kind of really hard to see here on camera. It really don't show it, but that's rust. It matches a whole lot better in person with the interior in this car. Well, maybe I might just let that rust. I'm not looking for a show car here. Let that rust in, blend in. Of course, that's going to be different, but I don't care. And then you got shiny stuff here. I kind of like it. It ain't got to be like everybody else. Just make things your own way. Whatever you like, go with it. And I think I like it. It ain't perfect. And that's what I like. Well, this is what I got going on here. I'll tack it there. And then, of course, I got to get that down and that down. This ain't perfect, but it'll work. And I'll work on these. But actually, I might hold off on these until I make sure my transmission, I ain't got to do nothing to this tunnel yet. So I might just hold off over there and probably just hold off on that one, because I was kind of going to do this in a full sheet. Try to. I'm gonna crawl under this thing, just kind of see what it looks like before I get carried away here. I got a little hole in it, but it's blending pretty good. I'll smash this up and put some tacks there too. Maybe weld it, I don't know. I want to apologize, especially to the ones that's actually following this build. I told y'all I'd have the motor this weekend. Didn't happen due to the rain, and it's just a bunch of things going on with that. We couldn't get to it this weekend either, but it is coming. I will be getting it here soon. Just want to apologize for that, and also want to apologize for these videos, especially this one. It's going to be kind of all over the place, and I'm trying to get better with that. But if anything y'all can think of that will help me with videos, car wise, leave it in the comments. I'm open for all ideas. Thanks.